Well, hello, good morning, everybody. How's everybody doing? Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the show. It's about 9:15 Eastern Standard Time here. We got the market in roughly 15 minutes or so. Just trying to get everything set up here. Kind of got a bit of a trade idea so far. Kind of looking for a bit of a manipulation back down for a long after that, but we'll have to see how this plays out. Hey, Born Hunting, good morning. Good morning. Let's see here. Do we have news for today? We do have ISM manufacturing PMI. Yeah. Hey, Angie, good morning. Good morning. How are you? So we closed the gap, hey? PMI at 10 a.m.? Yeah, exactly. Got about 30 minutes to the PMI. Trying to shake off the cobwebs here. I got some water warming up. I'm gonna put together a little tea, some red rose tea this morning. See if we can't enjoy a nice warm cup of tea in the morning for the wake up situation here. Or did that one ever get converted? This one never got inverted either. So, there's a risk. There's a risk that this one's going to be a target. Five people watching this morning. Nobody in X just yet, but that's all good. It's usually a slow starter. There you go. My hot water's ready. Be right back.
Well, you look warm and comfy.
Well, hello. Good morning.
Hey, good morning. I'm down in the workshop today.
Oh yeah, I'm like, wow, what a different view over there.
It's not my normal jungle view.
Yeah.
There's too much noise going on.
Oh yeah.
I'm going to get off the stream relatively early, turn some wood, and act like a craftsman for a while.
Turn some wood?
Yeah, on a lathe.
Oh, you got a lathe there. Nice.
Yeah.
What are you going to make?
I don't know yet.
I remember my dad had a lathe a long time ago when I was young. That was pretty fun to play with. Although I didn't really make anything with it other than just like grind wood with it.
Made a tiger wood bowl a couple of weeks ago. That was fun.
Oh yeah. Tiger wood bowl. It's a certain type of tree out there.
Yeah, it's an African. It's actually an African tree, and when you turn it, there's just tiger stripes going through the whole thing. It's beautiful.
Nice. Hey, thanks, Jerry. We crossed 2,000 subscribers yesterday.
Nice.
Yeah.
Apparently, I'm almost up to 200.
Beautiful. Yeah. $194. Nice. Yes. Sweet.
I got an oil long in on a cash account right now.
Oh, nice. Okay.
It hit that level that I'm comfortable taking it.
Did you happen to look at YM today?
Yeah, that looked like a launch pad to me.
Holy crap, eh?
It was a lovely little skateboard ramp that they had going up there.
Crazy, right?
I haven't looked at it in a few, so yeah, it's still looking like a ski slope.
Yeah. Born Hunting did metal detecting on the beach. Nice. That's always fun.
So if you're gonna be spending time on the beach, check out my Clean Ocean project.
Yeah. Joanne's here too. Good morning.
Actually, anybody interested in sharing a project, it's a Clean Ocean project. Feel free to download it and share it on your social media. We've been looking for donations for all the recycle projects and everything. Got well over 1,000 kilos of plastic off the beaches over the past 2 months.
That's pretty wild.
Yeah, it's nuts.
The turtles thank you.
What's that?
The turtles thank you.
Oh, man.
Not just the turtles, but for one of them.
There's so much stuff that washes up on those beaches from the ocean. If you don't remove it, it just goes right back in during low tide. It's freaking horrible. But there's a guy over in Santa Teresa who does takes all like the bottles, bottle caps and everything, shreds down the like plastic bottles, melts the bottle caps, and then makes like school supplies and signs and stuff like that for all the like the local public schools. And
nice.
Yeah, it's actually really cool. Got one trucking company that's actually going to be pulling all of our plastic waste out at a very reduced cost, so that's nice.
Oh, sweet.
Did you see I put up the last turtle race video?
Oh, no.
Oh, yeah, they did another release of leatherback turtles.
Okay.
On Montezuma Beach. About 100 of them that they ended up releasing, so I took a day off and went down there and watched that for a while.
Mm-hmm. That's so cool.
It's funny because they're like, 2.5 inches long. They're tiny little things. Well, when they grow up, they weigh like, some of them get up to like 1,500 pounds.
That's crazy.
They start off
so
small.
They hatch them all in a facility and release them?
Yeah, so basically it's a bunch of volunteers go out, take the eggs so that way the coates and all the other animals don't dig them up and eat them.
Mm-hmm.
Take all the turtle eggs, put them in an enclosed space, make sure they're buried in the sand like they have to be, and once they start to hatch and pull up, dig them all out, put them into these basically just like really wide milk crates,
mm-hmm.
and then take them all out to the beach. They have to actually walk across the beach themselves, though. You can't just put them in the water. Something about the sand on their skin is how they know where to return.
Really?
So the ones from that beach end up going all the way to Hawaii. And then during mating season, they mate. They store the sperm, and the females store the sperm in their body, or the fertilized eggs in their body.
Okay.
And then they actually will slow down the progress until they get back to the same beach that they were born on.
No way.
Lay the eggs there, and everything's great.
Did we just get some bad news or what? What's going on here with the market? I mean,
Trump was talking at 9 o'clock. I'm honestly not sure what's going on right now.
Because I had 2 micros sitting here at 426, 28, 426. We got filled, and it's just going straight through it, like straight through it. So I'm in my Take Profit Trader account. I'm risking 150 points on 2 micros.
All right.
With a roughly no, sorry, 75 points on 2 micros, 150 points take profit.
Gotcha.
And we're already down 25 points, so I only got about 50 points left in this drawdown. So
maybe time to cut that.
I'm gonna wait for this candle closure here. We got that at the bell, so if it continues ripping down, I'll probably just cut it early here. I do have.
We got what, 2 minutes until the bell?
Yeah,
a little less than 2 minutes.
Yeah, 1 minute 10 seconds here.
So
this is what I was hoping for, but I wasn't expecting it to just go this deep down.
So I did take a $1,480 trade in the pre-market on 15 accounts. So I don't think I'm going to be trading that much today anymore.
Holy.
Yeah, I added into it, ended up with 30 micros in a short. So.
Hey, hi, Tim. Good morning.
I am kind of liking this YM short I'm in with 6 micros, though.
Nice. Whew.
All right, stop that out. Only made 40 bucks.
Damn. Yep, this thing's just going straight down here.
Oil's dropping again.
That's too bad.
YM's coming up. So NQ's looking pretty heavy, eh?
That's for sure. Not the best way to start the month. Joanne's up 478. Nice job. Yeah, I think MES is getting the help from YM right now.
I got an NQ short in. All right, made 80 bucks. Right now, I'm just trying to get my consistency on these 2 evals that I'm copying.
Mm-hmm.
It's the only reason I'm taking these trades. Otherwise, I'd be done for the day. But I need the consistency and 5 days of trading. This is my 4th day. I'm up, well, technically I've passed it. It's at 53,400, but my consistency is not, it's over 50% on these TBTs, so.
Consistency's off just a bit.
Yeah, just a wee bit. It's not too bad though, so as long as I can take a couple of profitable scalps today and tomorrow, those ones will get funded. I'll have a couple of TPT accounts again. After last week's debacle, I wanted to replace those.
Yeah, no doubt.
That made me angry. Looks like buyers are trying to step in here on NQ. There they go.
So I did take a long, actually, in my 2 Lucid funded accounts after that. Didn't get a chance to change my chart over, but I already took one contract off pretty nicely up. So looking like might be about 300-ish winners.
All right.
Okay, got stopped out on the remainder there. Cancel open orders. Let me just go to Traders Post and double check that those are cleared. Nice. Yep. Those were 2 pretty good trades there. So it ended up being 240 in each Lucid funded, two Lucid funded flex accounts.
Oh, that's great. That's a good way to start your Monday.
Yeah.
All right.
I was really
sorry, go ahead.
I was just early on that entry on the other account. This is a little frustrating.
So I just took 3 micro scalps long on NQ, and I think I got my consistency. So I'm up 98.25 on those 2 accounts.
Nice.
So I believe that's my consistency. Oh, it doesn't update in real time. Damn it. Oh, now I have to do math.
Now you got to math it.
I hate doing math. Wow, look at NQ go.
I know, man. I can't believe that thing stopped me out.
That is something special.
It did stop me out by what, 43, by 30 points. If I needed 30 more points on that stop to survive that. Look at this thing going, man. Holy smokes.
Yeah, I just took another micro scalp, so I'm up 149.25. And this is just 2 micros. I'm not doing minis or any heavy size at all. I'm just trading 2 micros and micro scalping it, and I'm up 150 bucks on these.
Nice.
So rejection off the overnight VWAP.
Yeah, and there's a bearish fair value gap from pre-market there.
Oh, is there? I'll put this on regular trading hours. Just I know the New York VWAP isn't that strong yet, but we do have a working point of control sitting at 435, and we are at the top of the fair value gap, or I'm sorry, the top of the value area high.
Mm-hmm.
Still not willing to take a short right now, though.
Not yet. Nope. Yeah, so we do have news here in about 20 minutes.
Wow, the book map on MNQ is bouncing around like it's having a seizure.
I feel very happy right now.
Okay, what happened?
I just got the loss back from that TPT account, so
All right.
on the long there, and I closed it, and then it just turned around and went straight down. So
nice timing. Good job. So it's coming back toward New York VWAP, which is at 425. We're in a bullish fair value. It just tapped into a bullish fair value gap.
Big Teflon's like, where's Mustang's usual beautiful background?
Sorry, buddy. No iguanas coming in to lick my feet today. Not today.
He's got a busy household, Big Teflon. He's just getting some privacy.
Yeah, I'm in the workshop right now.
What? I'm getting like some errors on my Lucid funded accounts. And take profit trader. I probably need to like reconnect them or something. So
yeah, this fella ended up showing up in the pre-market. Thanks for sending him over there, Dave.
Oh, nice. Yeah.
Can't pronounce the name, but
I think you said it's like Hightam or Haytam.
I told him to phonetically spell it out, so I'm not an idiot, pronouncing his name wrong.
Oh, Joanne's very happy too. Her bot took a loss, but didn't trigger because the Apex account was disconnected.
Nice. That's sometimes
RNG
you just get lucky like that.
Yeah.
Man, I might be done trading for the day. Never been so happy to be offline. Yeah. Dig that.
Normally it's like, damn it. But then when it's a loss, of course.
Ugh. All right, Bookmap's starting to calm down a little bit now. Take a quick look at this oil trade I'm in.
Semis are bearish, by the way. Okay, Angia, thank you for that.
All right, I'm in profit. I'm happy about that. Not much, but you know, a little bit. I'll take it.
Sorry if I'm not talking much. I'm just trying to get these accounts resynced here.
You in a are you in a trade right now, or are you just
Nope.
holding off?
I'm just flat, but just trying to get
shit.
What a whip. Oh, let's see.
All right, I'm out. Just closed out that oil trade.
Very nice. Very nice.
All right, it's 9:45 a.m. in New York, and I'm officially done working for the day. So I'm gonna sit here and hang out with you for a little bit.
Sounds good.
What'd you do over the weekend?
On the weekend, not a whole lot. I integrated my chickens, my young chickens, with the older chickens.
And how are they doing? Everybody getting
Awesome.
along?
Yeah, so far. So what I do is I put them out in the yard, in a cage, and they spend an entire day like with a cage in between them with the other chickens, and then we wait for the older chickens to roost, and then we put the young chickens up in there with them after that, because usually once they get roosting, they're pretty chill compared to like the normal time, especially when there's food around, right? When it's like morning and they've been sitting on the roost all night and it's food, that's going to be a little bit of a different story, but at least the other chickens can kind of just like run away at that point, right? So
yeah. It's funny every once in a while when I'm like driving out towards Coburno, you'll see somebody on a motorcycle going by and they'll just lean over and grab one of the chickens that's on the side of the road and continue on their way. Like, oh, road dinner.
Oh, this is annoying. Update sync. Demo connect. It's my TradeZella disconnected the account, so now I'm trying to update it. Did anyone go see the new Spider-Man movie? No, I didn't even know that it was out. It's a good one. Nice. Okay, that's correct, but this one is not correct. Pretty choppy price action here
Yeah.
this morning. Man, I wish I didn't. I wish I just waited for that opening candle before I took that trade in the morning. Just doing a little bit of assessing what I did there.
Just going back over your trades for the day.
Well, just you know, like there's no real reason I needed to take a stop there. If I would have just been a little more patient for the open, I could have taken very similar trade and would have hit profit, right? So.
Is it one of those there was no reason to get out of it type of trades?
Well, I mean, it did pull back substantially, right? So, I mean, it hit my stop. So that's if you set in the trade, you know.
Okay.
I'm just saying if I would have waited for a better entry, with the same size of stop, I would have survived, right? Because the trade idea played out, but it was just the timing was too early. Ten minutes here till the news. So I think I'm gonna have to actually delete a couple accounts off of my TradeZilla and then resync them because they're showing the incorrect profit amount now, which is annoying.
Yeah, I've had that issue with TradeZilla before.
So I can just like clear all trades and then resync it.
Oh, you can just clear all trades on it? I just
Yeah.
deleted all my accounts and then
Okay.
redid them. I didn't even realize that you could just clear all your trades and then resync it. Does it resync your entire history or does it start?
Yeah, it should resync all the history. So
Yeah, if it does that, that's great. I would do that instead.
4912. Where did that go? Let's see if it's gonna work. I just tried to do like I cleared all trades and I just clicked resync. So let's see if it's gonna work. No, it's still
No.
Because it's kind of it's a little bit weird because for some reason when I tried to sync it last time, I accidentally synced it with Lucid. So now it's like when I go to add it, it's like showing on Lucid, which is really weird. So maybe I'm gonna have to delete those accounts, like you're saying there.
I know there was a reason why I did it that way. What that reason? It was a while ago. I couldn't tell you what the reason was at this point.
Okay, so I think I'm just gonna delete it and then reconnect it here. I couldn't believe that I heard that Trump's gonna sell access to his Truth Social posts.
That's the thing.
That's craziness. Like
that
sounds really illegal, you know? Like, come on.
Because it is really illegal. I'm going to sell for $100,000 early access to my market moving tweets. Okay, that's some shady shit right there.
FN Trade says, "Do you guys trade news like PMI in a bit?" I would like stay in a trade for PMI, but I wouldn't necessarily be like,
I wouldn't get into one on PMI, but I'd stay in one. Yeah,
yeah.
I'm with you on that one, Dave.
If you're in something and you want to put your stop maybe break even or something, you might be able to, let it rip or something. But I wouldn't be like, wait for it to pop and then do it. So the account that I have in here already is 4,004. Anyone who accuses him of being corrupt is a crazy liberal, though.
I guess I'm a crazy liberal. I mean, I can live with that.
Well, look at this price going here. Wow. The trade I wanted to happen is exact. So I actually originally had my stop at 75 points and my TP at 150 points, which would have had us, where was this entry here? Let me just frame this back out again here. I think it was like around there, 150. Like I would be like about 4 points away from the 150 point TP right now.
I only trading my cash account now, so I'm in. I've been sizing into an NQ long. So I've got 40 micros in here right now.
Wow.
And I'm up 2,200 with a stop loss at positive 702.50. So no matter what, I make $700 in a cash account on this. And it's only one account. I'm not copy trading this.
Nice. Sounds good though. Woo.
I just took 20 off that.
Nice. Yeah. It is stalling out a little bit. Does obviously it may not be done, but might as well lock the green.
Yeah, I wanna. This is a cash account. I don't want to fool around and get burned. Not today. Of course, I do that, and it's continuing up. So.
Yeah. Figures.
That's the way it always works for me. When I try and act like an adult, it just rips in my favor. But there will be another trade later.
Yes, sir.
So I'm okay with it. Getting another little pullback here on NQ.
What a freaking move, man. From 313 to 578.
All right, I'm locking in 1500 here.
Nice. Look at that candle. Oh my God, man. We got the news is coming up in about 5 seconds here, 2 seconds. Let's get a super boner candle here on this news candle. Come on.
Yeah, all right.
Just rip right up to 660s here.
All right, locking in 2000 now.
10 seconds here. Wow, man. Look at that candle. Jesus. Quick little sweep. ISM news came in. So previous 53 forecast 53.9, actual 55.6. I just don't know what that means. Like I never can tell if it's, if the number's higher or lower. Is that good or bad?
I'm not even looking at it right now. I'm just trying to manage this trade.
No doubt.
All right, I added 10 micros on that pullback.
See if this thing's gonna bounce here, or are they just gonna erase this entire candle? Oof. Let's go.
You looking at shorts now?
No, I mean I can't really be short biased at the moment, but I would like to see us continue with this bounce here. Beautiful. Nice.
Oh my
Come on,
God.
keep going here. Come on.
That was so close to hitting my stop.
So I ended up taking a long in my new Blue Sky 50K account. Okay,
Yeah.
I got stopped out on the remaining contacts, but 250. So nice little start to the brand new Blue Sky account.
Good deal.
That one I funded last Friday. I just didn't see why this thing's gonna just erase all that move. Like that was just such a strong push. But we'll see here.
Could this be a bear trap? Let's induce some sellers to get in here and then just turn around.
Yeah. Come on.
Oh, it stopped me out. Shit. All right, so I made 1,200 on that.
Nice trade though. I mean,
Thank
can't
you.
be mad about that. So what was it? Oh, is that including the first initial profit that you took?
No.
Okay.
That
was what you had left.
Yeah, that's what I had
on
left
those
over, and
contracts
then
that
I
you left.
added into it. So
So
it
you
actually
gave back a
would
little
have
bit
made
extra
more if I
with the
did not add into it. So
yeah. But still,
you know, but hey, I'm not going to complain about
$1,200. Of course not.
Yeah, absolutely not.
What the heck is going on with this? Why is that unlinked now? This is pretty annoying right now. Okay, well, I guess oh, nice pump here too, back up from this. It's funny because I have this channel line drawn and we did wick below it, but the bodies closed right at 552 there, which is right at
Dave,
this channel line. So
you're gonna hate me here for a second.
You're back long again?
Yep. 45 micros in, locking in 1,000 right now.
Beautiful.
All right, made the 1,000.
Beautiful.
Got another limit order in here at 555.25.
Zara likes it. Hit your daily goal, locked your accounts, good to go. Nice Skeletor. Good for you. Good for you.
All right, picked up my limit order. Ooh, that's not good. All right, that's really good. Never mind. I was deep in the red for about 9 seconds there. All right, flatten that, took 1500.
Nice. Wow, that's some volatility though, hey? It's like jumping around 10 plus points per little move here. $4,004, $4,006.
All right, another 165. Oh shit, dude, I'm done. I'm locking myself out. This is getting stupid.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm way above my profit target for the day, so I'm done.
Big problems, big problems.
No, I just looked at my my P&L. I don't want to risk that. All right. Oh, Skeletor's doing the same thing.
Yep.
Very nice. All right, I'm going to step out for a minute. I'll see you in a few.
Sounds good. Oh, this is annoying. I gotta delete all these accounts here because they're just not syncing. Okay, take profit. Take profit pro 4912. What a pump there. Back up, guys, here. Coconut day. Pack your shit and enjoy your coconut day. You're gonna go collect a couple coconuts off the beach, crack them open, enjoy being done. Number lower than expecting equals bad. Okay, thanks, Big Teflon. Because we had 53.9 and it's 55.6, so that's good, right? That's good. That's good. Great day, Dad. And yeah, you're cute. Pretty choppy price action up here where we are at. Cannot make too much money on a prop account. Got to stay consistent, right? Yeah. I think he was trading his cash account there in the end, though, but maybe. Maybe he got away from the cash account. I couldn't remember. Just waiting for these accounts to like hurry up and sync to my Tradezilla here. Locking in a little bit of green here in this Lucid, this TPT account here. Finally, let's go. All right. So I end up making 140 in that account now. Back from minus 330 back up to 140 now profit. Beautiful. Mustang head and head sobbing. Why do I keep making so much money? Why? Did I add some good effect to that, Big Teflon? What do you think? How was my performance there? I hope he's over there listening right now in the background. We need to make a meme like that, hey? Shakespearean. Hey, thank you. Thanks for that. God damn it. Why do I keep making so much money? What's wrong with me? Oh, jeez. Okay, so I think I officially reconnected my two Lucid funded flexes. Now I gotta connect my TPT Pro after I deleted them. So Tradeify, auto sync, demo, connect, take profit trader. This is kind of annoying that I'm doing this on stream. I should be focusing on trading here. Not gonna complain though. I'm having a pretty stellar day after in the end. Up 260 in both of my Lucid funded flexes, and then now up 140 in my top one futures. Okay, let's see here. Let's make sure it's all done up here. Why are all my trades gone from July though? Oh, I need to. Never mind. It's because they're when you delete them, they take them off of your. Take Profit Pro. There we go. Okay, yeah, that looks pretty normal. So 550 on the day with 5 trades. I like the flex account, LAFTA. There's no consistency, and the only rule is you got to have 5 $150 winning days for your next payout. So that one's pretty good. But they do have the new daily account, which is good because you can obviously, there's no consistency and you can take daily payouts, but you have the same issue as you do with Take Profit Trader. Is you got to get through that buffer, that $2,000 buffer first before you know, you have intraday trailing drawdown until you get through your buffer. You're waiting for their 67th account? Well, they have 4 accounts, yeah. Pro, Flex, Daily, and then Direct. So the Daily's pretty good. If I were to pick up any more accounts, I'd be definitely going for the Daily. Because I like the idea of being able to have a big winning day and then just take the money out, right? So that's Lucid. Lucid here. Lucid Daily. It's like basically the Take Profit Trader account, right? So with the 50K, once you pass the eval, you can pass the eval in 2 days. You can also pick the drawdown type, which I would recommend end of day, and then you can have a daily loss limit of 1,200 or turn it off. And then when you get to funded, is intraday trailing drawdown for the first 2,000 buffer. Once you clear the buffer, then it's locked in, right? And there's no consistency, and you can take a daily payout from it. So killer. Now that I hear you say in the end, I realized you have a Mike Shinoda vibe going on right now. Lincoln Park. Oh yeah. Now I gotta sync my my Blue Sky funded account. I haven't done that yet. 159863. Okay, there we go. Dashboard, add trade 159863. 863. Let's get some other tunes going here. Sorry about that. I've been pretty slacking on the music shuffle here. 159863 sync selected. So actually up 927 today. So turn my crap start opening trade into a pretty nice day so far. Still haven't synced my Blue Sky account here. So add new account. Tradeify demo. Look at this price, guys. Holy smokes. It's really not going to stop here. I still have that too. So, hey, Nick, if you're in the background there, I got the Blue Sky 200K static drawdown account.
How's that working?
Well, I just got it like yesterday.
All right.
I haven't. Did I take a trade on it yesterday? Maybe. So it has a 6K profit target.
All right.
And 2,000 static drawdown. So like obviously you know how static.
That's yep. That's great.
So it's kind of more like a cash account, right? So
that'll be fun to trade.
Yeah.
Holy crap.
Right?
I didn't realize my order didn't get canceled on NQ.
Okay. And is it
I'm
short or you're in?
No, long.
Nice. This is a good thing.
What the hell is going on here? I have an 180 point or tick trailing stop on this, and I'm up 4,200.
Wow. Jesus. Blackout News is not trading today. You blew up 2 freaking evals last night. One you had half passed, but at least you got a 50K passed. All right, well that's good. Take it easy. Depends on which account you trade, Joanne. I do have a link in the description if you want to support the code, but if you pick the launch account, there is an activation fee, but if you pick like the Propel account, there's no activation fee. So like depends on if you're confident you're going to pass or not. You can get in with the a cheaper end price versus having activation fee. So it's a $99 fee to pass to upgrade the eval. It's like the launch, so I think it's $79 for the 50K eval, and if you pass it, it's another $99. So it's like ends up being $179. I think. Was that how it was? Let me double check here. I might be off a little bit.
Oh, we know you're off a little bit.
Yeah, I might be.
Oh, mentally, not necessarily on this.
Yeah, so 59 to buy the eval, and then 99 when you pass it. So you're looking at 160 basically. So that's just for the 50K, right? So the 200 static account, I was looking at this one. This one is 79, so $80, because the static accounts you have to buy the larger account. The static account is $79 to buy it, the eval from the launch account, and then $179 at activation. So you're looking at what is that? 180 plus 82, 240. Sorry, no, hold on a second. 260. So you're looking at like 260 for that account. But if you go with the Propel 200K static account, it's 189 all in. So it kind of just depends if you're willing to risk all the money on the eval, or if you're, want to be a little bit safer and take less risk on the eval. And I don't really have a discount code with them. Like I've tried to use my Butcher, but if you do use the link in the description there, that'll also give me credit if you guys end up using my Blue Sky or buying a Blue Sky account. That's a good question. Let me just ask the AI real quick for you here. How's that trade going here, Nick? It's just still going up here.
It's I'm in with 50 micros now.
Oh my god. Go push it in Q. Be a good
No, I'm
hero.
sorry. I'm in with 45 micros, not 50.
Okay.
First light on the second screen, P&L blinking red and green. The room is still, my jaw's tight. We're playing traps from last night. Funny how
I'm not quite having the day that you are, but I am up 1,180 on the day.
Per account?
No, total.
Oh.
Between my 4 funded accounts that I traded today. So
Okay, now I'm in with 50.
whew. So we do have a bunch of orders on the book map, 690 and 700 above.
Yeah, I'm looking at 700 to take my profit. I've actually got my take profit set at 702, but I can flatten my position with one click of a button.
Very nice. So I think they just responded about the automation here, so I'm just gonna quickly check. Yes, it is. Okay, so I did ask if it's okay to automate with Blue Sky, and they said yes, it is. Joanne.
Yeah, Blue Sky is partnered with Traders Post.
Okay, perfect.
And they did that specifically because of the automation and copy trading.
So I made 140 on my Take Profit Pro account there while you were gone.
140?
Yeah.
I don't have any more TPT Pro accounts. That makes me sad.
Yeah. Well, I'm not going to touch TPT and I'm not touching Lucid today. I'm happy with those accounts, but I do have that Propel, that 200K static Propel. I could try to find a trade here on that.
First light on the second screen, P&L blinking red and green. The room is still, my jaw's tight. We're playing traps from night. Funny how one clean push through highs can make a busted plan feel wise. Spent too long leaning on
All right.
trying to
Well, Dave, I've got after my add-in, I've got 3,700 locked in. And my take profit, I actually moved that up based on the book map.
Mhm.
So I've got a $20,537.50 take profit in.
Holy crap! And that's on your cash account?
This is a this is a cash account. I don't think I can trade 50 micros on any of my props. Oh wait, yeah, I could. TPT, you can do up to 6 minis, so that'd be 60 contracts.
Well,
But those are all evals, and I don't want to
here
screw
comes
up
that
my
700.
consistency.
Pop it, pop it, pop it.
I want to see if it pushes through that 700.
too fresh. Show me what I let slide next. Nothing left, I need to brag. Nothing left, I need to prove. Funny how the screen gets clear when you stop trying to make it move.
Right now, I'm up around 7,900.
Every snap that ripped me open now, what it made me do.
Okay, a little less now.
When they're about not doubling down. Licking wounds, keeping receipts, and coming back when the take cools down.
One more trade.
MNQ's gonna toss his tricks, whether it's cruise easy. Midnight on the boulevard. Some things catch up eventually.
This is that trade that's making my hand shake.
Yeah.
Street lights
Well, you took the 800 to 700, so like I don't see why it's gonna stop here now.
Yeah, this is one of those I don't see a reason to get out of this long trades.
Might not be a bad idea to take a little bit off, but don't take my advice. I'm just saying.
Now, I've got my stop loss locked into quite a bit of profit now, so
every choice leaves footprints on the ground. You can chase the
this is continuing up. It's looking like it's still going up, so do have a sell volume ball here on the book map, but we've got orders up
Look
at
at this thing
750.
going here, man. Oh my god. Oh,
All right, I'm locking in another $1,000.
watch promises fade like smoke in the air. Empty conversations going nowhere. I stopped carrying weight that wasn't mine. Let tomorrow draw its own straight line. I don't wish the worst on anyone I knew. Life writes and there's none of us can choose. The wheel keeps turning whether fast or slow. And every seed becomes the crop
and yet you're holding one last contract to 800.
comes up.
Nice.
Steady as the tide, nothing stays forever left behind. Every move
This could be the push that we needed to like sort of get back into the bullish market. We kind of, if we can get to closure sort of above this 764, 780 to 800 area, like if we end up in that area, like I could definitely see us sort of flipping this bearish momentum for a while. Last night I was talking to the chat and I was talking about this order up here, 20 or this point of like an interest point, 29,450, which was a naked point of control that we left quite a while ago. So eventually that's going to be a nice draw on liquidity. So let's see if we can't get a nice hold. It would be nice to end the day up around 28,800. That'd just be ideal.
Oh, LAFTA? Yeah, no, this is 50 micros on one account, not on 100.
Yeah, that's why I was asking. That's why I
Yeah,
asked you that. I was like, just to
Yeah, no.
clarify for him.
that would oof. You would never see me again. I would disappear into the mountains, and holy shit.
Wow, another big candle here pushing up right through the 726. Jeez, man. We're right at previous day high here, 728. FYI. What a daily candle though. Like, so we had that huge daily candle like a couple days ago, or a couple trading days ago, not exactly 2 days ago, but and then we had, you know, the big indecision candle. Then we gapped up, way up, pulled back almost exactly to the point of closing that gap, and now we're all the way up to the high of that weird indecision candle here. It's pretty crazy.
Ugh.
Took out last Friday's high. I was definitely correct in my bias this morning. Just that initial entry was just wrong. Just a little too early.
Just a little early on it.
Yeah.
All right, I'm locking in another 1,000.
Nice, Nick. Nice.
Windows down, let the cool wind speak. Found more strength inside than I would seek. No revenge, living rent free in my head. Peace is worth more.
Skeletor, I thought you locked it out, man. He goes, damn, made another 450 green. Okay, that's it. I'm way over my daily goal. This is a good problem, though. Congrats, man. You know, some days are the days where you should just push it a little bit harder, right? And this is one of those days where it just keeps pumping, right? So you never know how to get in on these sorts of pumps. And when I do, time for a turnaround, right? Teflon, I feel you, bro. That's how I feel on the shorts.
Yeah, I've got all my prop firms locked out. I can't do anything with any of those now. Nor do I want to. I'm already green on all of those, so.
Yeah, market could turn around at 11 a.m. and yeah. I mean, at some point, this thing's got to have to pull back.
It's pulling back a little bit right now.
Hey, Night Build Audio. Good morning. How are you? Hey, we got a decent turnout right now. 16 people in YouTube and 21 in X. I got like 19 people in X right now. What the heck? Good morning, everybody. Hey, there's Dad. Good morning. Good morning. Dad, we hit 2,000 subscribers yesterday. Thought you'd want to hear that. Pretty awesome. Joanne saying hi, Dad. Night Build Audio, tired building back my eval account. Back up 300 today, but 700 more to go. Might be done today unless I see something really good. Yeah, smart. I mean, gotta be happy. Gotta be content with the profits when you get it. Wow, ES has been super clean this morning. And ES finally, I had a naked point of control on ES, and it took that out today. So I can get rid of that one. YM took it out like sometime last week. They all had a naked point of control. You think the market knows when you size up? Okay, boys and girls, I'm done for the day. Gonna go head to the gym for a light workout. Nick, I'll see you tomorrow at the pre-market. Happy, safe trading. Chat. Skeletor.
I will see you in the morning, Skeletor. I'll have some levels waiting for you. We'll go over the NQ and the news and all that other jazz that we do every morning.
NQ turned into a ski ramp here too this morning.
Mm-hmm.
YM has been chop central. So
YM in the pre-market was
so
the
clean,
ski
up,
slope.
up. Yeah. My dad says, that's terrific. 2000. Good morning, ladies. I build audio. They must send alerts. He's changing to E-mini. Sell everyone. Okay, yeah. That's what you mean when it happens when you size up to the minis. They decide to like turn the market around on you.
No. Oh man, this is getting to be nerve-wracking here.
Yeah.
Still don't see a reason to get out of this.
Especially if the 700s hold here. And if we just get a nice closure above the previous day high, I don't see why it's going to stop anytime soon, really. Get in serious price discovery. NQ trickery, right? That's like NQ's nasty. Where does that sound? NQ also sneaky. Angia says.
Mustang trade in the pre-market. Mark and put you on the mic. Oil slippery. Gold heavy. Nat gas explosive. Let's work. NQ dirty, but I love it, let it ride. East session high while the chat this side. Bone a candle print and the bears all high. Market, but you can't keep the dream alive. Oil slippery, don't let
Get a little bit of resistance here.
Yeah, right at the previous day high there.
I'm leaving this in to see if it breaks through it. I got my take profit just below the 800s. Come on, NQ, push up there. Make my month.
There you go. Come on, keep going.
All right, I'm locking in another 1,000.
Come on, tap those 50s here. Are those orders up at 50? Do it.
Trades asking Asia or NY. How long you trade? Do ETFs buy? Then NQ sneeze right after mentioning it live.
Got 135 orders at 28,800. 158 orders at 775.
Mm-hmm. Still orders up there.
And we're still at that previous high resistance level.
Mm-hmm. Nice little pop there up to the 44s, but didn't quite then head back down to the previous day high. See if this thing's gonna get up to the 50s here. I did take a long in this Propel account at the previous day high there. Come on, little pop. I got my TP right at 48. A little bit front running those orders at 50.
I just locked in another 100 or another 500.
Here we go. Come on, go. 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 Come on, go. Oh, just edged my order there. There we go. I'm out. Beautiful. $100 on the Propel account. 3 micros.
Is that a new eval or a funded?
It's an eval, yeah. It's a 200K static drawdown eval. I'm just going to do slow and steady for the first bit, just because it only has the profit target 6K, but it only has like the 2,000 drawdown. So the drawdown to the target isn't perfect at first. But if I were to, get about 1,000 in there, then I could have a little bit more wiggle room for some size. Wow, look at this volatility here. Push right through the 50s up to 50.
All right, I'm locking in 12,000 here.
Nice. And still just going here. Jeez. Oh my god. Dry off those hands. Don't slip off the exit button.
Yeah, I'm literally, I've got it on the flatten right now.
Look at that thing, man. Oh my god. 769, 775, 70-80 right around the corner here. There's 79, there's 80. 800's incoming, Angia. I was long this morning before open expecting this, but got out while I was up. Well, I mean, it did pull back pretty sharply at the open. Oh, and now Angie is saying she's ready to hold longer.
All right, I got 22,000 locked in.
22,000? Holy crap, man. Oh my god. Nick's not going to have to trade for the rest of the month, Angia. There's 86. 87. Angie's up 3K. Nice. But on 2 accounts. Only 2 accounts. Okay, well, don't say like that.
Oh no.
22K of pesos, mucho dinero.
Trust one micro feels too much real trader stuff. Coca-Cola like Warren Buffett plays. Slow compounding while the futures rage. Can't influence yelling ace pump in chat. Good try XD, well managed. Imagine that lone wolf blue say oil. dumping fast. Meanwhile, Chris Spy, ATH tomorrow blast. NQ is dirty, 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 dirty.
He got out before the pullback and then went long again and got out while. Oh, you were long again after the pullback, Night Build. Nice.
And I'm out.
There you go, Nick. Beautiful.
Oh,
Took it at 800, eh?
No revenge. Under posting schedules every day. Pre-market and wide Globix all the way. Discord loaded milestones.
Well, the woodworking room is a great situation there.
yeah, apparently.
Just leave Nick alone while he trades, everybody, because
Holy shit.
Hightam says Nick was stiff on this trade. LOL.
No, I was too nervous to be stiff. Oh, you mean frozen up? Yeah. I was definitely frozen up.
He was so stiff, he grew about 3 inches on that trade.
Whole different meaning for boner candle.
Respect the stop. And remember,
That was my best single trade of the year.
Yeah, I bet.
Damn. All right.
stand straight up with no pullback.
Single account trade, up 28,950.
Wow. 28K in one day. That's amazing.
And then from the pre-market, I did 1,400 on 15 accounts. So,
Mustang trade in the pre-market. Market oil slippery.
So that's 14K
dumb.
and then 7K, so 21K.
I'm sorry, what was that?
That was 21K in those accounts then. So you're at 49,000, almost 50K today.
So this is the second best day I've had all year. Damn. All right, cool. I think I'm going to take a little vacation.
Where are you going? The turtles are getting spoiled today, Jerry. High Time brought you some luck today. Geez, is this thing done? It doesn't seem like it, but we still have a 1 hour bearish fair value gap up at 900. Couple on the top side here. one at 28,900. The other one's at 29,000.
Yeah, I hate it when this happens. Every time I have a good trade like that, when I close it out, my hands are shaking.
Yeah, no doubt. Adrenaline.
No no revenge. Under posting schedules every day. Pre-market and wire, Globix all the way. Discord loaded milestones in sight. Use code MBT every single night. Top one Lucid, funded dreams alive. One Evo pass and the whole chat thrive. Chewy asking long or short from what? Answer, structure. FVG don't guess the setup. Vertical stream got different songs. Handlers asking playlists, where's it from?
Nick, take your money and run. Where's Terrence, man?
Oh, we haven't
Joanne
seen him in a while.
Terrence's line right there.
Oh yeah, I'm not putting anything else in right now. If I can't be happy with what I did today, I'm an idiot.
Yeah.
What I am doing is just making sure that everything is flattened and I don't have any resting orders in.
Mm-hmm. It's a good idea.
If the candle stands straight up with no pullback, it might be a boner Campbell.
What did you say I did today? 42?
48?
48? I've had months where I haven't done that.
Because you said 1,415 accounts, so 14 times 10 is 14K, and then half of that on the other 5, so 7K.
Okay.
21, and then
So
you
21,
said
and then
1.
Yep.
So 40. 49? 48, 49?
Somewhere around there. All right, so everything is flat. I'm closing that account. Closing. Oh, you know what? It's going to be less than that because 2 of those accounts were evals. So,
Okay. Well,
so take about $3,000 off of that. But I mean, still, I'm very happy with that.
yeah.
No, I need to make another trade now.
Stack it up, don't blow the account. One bad trade and you tapping out. Patience pays, yeah, that's legit. We ain't gamblers, we just hit and quit. NQ crazy, but we adapt quick. Stop, get swept, yeah, that's that script. Stay alive, that's the real win. Then tomorrow we trade again. Alright, guys.
Getting a little bit of resistance here at the 800s, basically. Tried to pop through it, took the orders. What did those take? Did those orders get taken here? Let's see. Or did they just yank them? Yeah, like
Joanne, I was totally kidding. I'm not doing anything else for today other than making sure that everything is closed down and I have no resting orders. That's all I'm doing for the rest of the day. So yes, I was joking. I am acting like an adult. I promise.
Angie says, I will send you my shopping cart to you later, Dad.
Okay.
Daughter needs some more trading accounts. No. Are you actually talking about shopping cart for trading accounts? Or are you talking like sort of like Amazon, or I guess it's not Amazon for Angia, but being in Hong Kong.
Was it in Hong Kong, Alibaba?
Probably. Hey, Born Hunting, how's your day going? Oh, he wants some. She wants the mouse pad and the mug only. She's like, I can take care of myself. Yeah, we know, Angie. We're just playing along with your comment there. How many more coffee shops can Mustang open in Hong Kong, Angia? Should be good in international investment.
In Hong Kong, I mean, I might be able to open one. Hong Kong is expensive, from what I understand. I don't. I've never been there, but.
What did the idiot say at 9 o'clock? MNQ's on fire? What time was 9 o'clock?
I don't know. What did I say at 9 o'clock?
No. I think when she says the idiot, I'm assuming she's talking about the orange guy.
She is, but when I hear idiot, I usually think me. So
okay, fair enough.
Born Hunting 777. Learning.
Nice, buddy. Good job.
What are you learning?
I just said, how's your morning going? And he said, learning. So. So what else do we have any on news today? We do have Trump talking, signing an executive order at 1 p.m., sorry. And then we got U.S. Treasury QRA estimates at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
All right. So, yeah.
Joanne goes, I like you too much, Nick, to tell you idiot. To call him idiot, not tell him.
Thank you. I appreciate that. So just for giggles, Born Hunting, are you new to Dave's stream, or are you
He's relatively new, yes.
Relatively new? So what have you been learning?
New trader, but relatively new to the channel.
So what have you learned from Dave so far?
Uh-oh. He'd be like, nothing.
No, please.
How to laugh during the stream.
Shit, Dave, you're definitely one of the better traders I know.
Oh, that's nice. Thank you.
I mean,
trying to be really patient here to take these payouts. I got payouts available in TPT and my 2 flex accounts, but I'm just trying to get a little bit more in them before I decide to take it.
Gotcha. Yeah, build up that buffer. There's no rush for them, right?
Mm-hmm. Jerry Trade says he learned how to appreciate fair value gaps more than he used to. Yeah, they're pretty valid. FN Trade says, I actually learned a lot from this stream. Take it slow. The best and only shortcuts. The best and only shortcut is not looking for shortcuts. There you go.
Yeah, I mean, that's... That and PFM is good. I like the chill atmosphere and discussion. That and PFM is good. Oh yeah, Zach is great. So is Alex.
Nightbuild Audio says, yeah, I learned patience here and taking it slow. Not all about big wins all the time. Yeah.
Nope.
If you're just pushing the gas pedal as hard as you can, that's a recipe for disaster.
Yeah, you got to know where your brakes are too.
Born Hunting said, learn how to be patient and learning how to find new entry points. Nice.
Hey Joanne, we'll see you tomorrow. You coming in the pre-market? You know where to find me.
Ooh, I just realized that I didn't change your thumbnail for this session here. But I'm going to change it now, so at least it'll keep it proper on your stream. Oh, it's not letting me down. Well, we're getting a bit more of a pullback here, down to the 760s after the rejection off the 800s. So a nice place to take profits there, that's for sure. Pickleball this afternoon, Joanne? No, I'm actually going to go do a hike today, so no pickleball. Oh, you're getting expert at pickleball? Or pre-market? What are you talking about? Are you talking about pickleball or pre-market? I love me some pickleball though, that's for sure. Pickleball for me, yeah. Yeah, I played some upper intermediate the other day, and man, I was playing good. I didn't really play for like competitive for like a week and a half or so. So then when I did finally go back, I was like banging the ball like so good.
Another Sunday, another Globex, another 1,000 traders looking for the secret.
We'll be at the Olympics in 20 years. If pickleball ever becomes an Olympic sport, yeah.
It might.
There's a pretty funny pickleball movie on Apple Plus. It's like a comedy. It's pretty funny. Ben Stiller's in there. See you, Joanne. Conviction. 5 minutes later, everybody disappeared. Now they post a motivational quotes out of fear. Gold heavy, oil slippery, nat gas explosive. Charts don't care about your feelings. STF, VWAP talking, why you talking back? STF, Mustang got the levels on the map. STF, Butcher got the entries, that's a fact. STF, everybody gangster till they draw down crack. I don't need 20 indicators on screen, just value areas in a plan that's clean. While they buying every breakout move, I'm waiting where the institution.
All right, Dave. It's 11:12 a.m. in New York City. New York City.
New York City.
I'm gonna go flip on a bandsaw and get covered in sawdust and wood shavings here.
Nice. Yeah, I'll stick around here till the half hour and then probably wrap it up also. I'm pretty content with the day, especially after that initial, it was a 80-point stop loss, so I ended up losing 160, 263, 340 opening trade. Jeez.
But now you're all green across the board.
Yeah. So I'm content.
Yeah, I'm gonna be content, and I'm gonna go do something not on a computer.
Yeah, no doubt.
Go sharpen some chisels. Yeah, my chisels are sharp. You could shave with them if you wanted to.
Really, eh? Well.
See you tomorrow, there. Hey, thanks everybody. I'll be on tomorrow again at 7:30 a.m. Come and visit me. I'll be around. David,
Thank you,
I'm
sir.
out of here.
All
I will
right.
see you tomorrow.
Sounds good. See you, Nick.
Have a good one.
You too.
Just charts, patience, and discipline. See you at Globex.
Czar locking out early. Can't complain with today's price action. Both Orb and IB extensions were so good. See you guys tomorrow. Nice, Czar. Nice.
Mustang trade,
Congrats, Nick. See ya.
market butcher. Another Sunday. Another Globex. Another
So we actually have 40 people watching this morning, which is pretty good for the morning sessions here. We got about 16 people in YouTube and like 24 people in X. So life it like a thief in the night. Mustang fades into the wind. He was like chilling in the dark too this morning, hey? Very funny.
I'm just waiting on a clean FVG VWAP dirt, but she still pay me. They ask me how I trade 9 accounts. Slow down, kid, let's talk amounts. One base hit beats 10 revenge trades. Most accounts die from ego mistakes. Bone a candle straight into resistance. Chat screaming along with full conviction. 5 minutes later, everybody disappeared. Now they post a motivational quotes out of fear. Gold heavy, oil slippery, nat gas explosive. Charts don't care about your feelings. ST VWAP talking, why you talking back? Mustang got the levels on the map. Butcher got the entries, that's a fact. Everybody gangster till they draw down crack. I don't need 20 indicators on screen. Just value areas in a plan that's clean. While they buying every breakout move, I'm waiting where the institutions choose. Value area.
Mustang disappeared like Thanos snapped him. Right? Everybody had to go. So we did get a decent little pullback there from the 800s all the way back down to the 750s. Now we're almost all the way back up to 800s. So like a 35-point ripper from the low of that, 46 to 80, 88. So a 40-point ripper. Wow. Imagine waking up one day and you make 20 grand before most people eat breakfast. That's a little lottery win he just made, right? I know. It's like, oh, let's go out for breakfast this morning, family. And then lunch, and then dinner, and shopping. And he still has like 20K in that account. More than 20K. Well, I mean, let's set the record straight, FN Trades. It's actually 46K he made today. So 20K isn't it? Let's have breakfast in New York. Yeah, let's grab a quick flight over to New York. Go have breakfast. Where was our initial balance here? 730. This one right here. Nice take of the IB high. Holding nicely above it. Oh Lord, literal salary in one morning, not one day, but one morning. Exactly, like in a number of like a few hours. FN trades, right? But it's nice to have, you know, for him to make the 20K in the single account, whatever, the 28K or whatever it was. You got to have quite a bit of capital in there. I'm kind of wondering if I should just take a payout in one of those Lucid Flex accounts just to, like, in case I make some stupid mistake later. I got to not think like that, knock on wood. Okay, let's stand up for a bit here. I know, right, Born? But this is what I was saying yesterday in the evening stream is, like, you can't compare yourself, you know? Don't compare yourself to other traders, because then you'll never be happy and you're going to put on more risk than you need to, right? So unless you have, you know, either the buffer or the type of account where you can put on size like the way he did today, like, don't push it, right? Everyone's in different points in their journeys, so make sure that you just, you know, be aware of what part of the journey you are in, right? So if you know, like, you don't want to feel the FOMO of not making 40K in one morning because somebody else did, right? So orders came back on at 28,800 here, and we did find some resistance there again. Yeah, Mustangs are professional. Do not attempt to copy at home. Yeah, I mean, he's got, like, I think he said he's, like, got about 20 years trading experience. So, like, keep that in mind, guys. If you're, like, still relatively new in your journey, like me, you know, I mean, I started trading in 2018, but I have only been trading futures for a really short time here. And even through, like, my early years of trading, it was pretty inactive, right? So how's the market doing? Oh, it's been a crazy day, Jonathan. It's been a crazy day. Making lots of profits and just, yeah, market's going up this morning nicely. I wouldn't be, you know, you got to be careful trading now. I wouldn't just go long or anything for any reason other than, you know, I would obviously want to come up with some sort of a strategy as to why you're going to take a long up here, because we're kind of starting to consolidate. This thing could eventually roll over here a bit. We're due for a pullback. Not guaranteed that it's going to happen. This could be a little bear flag play or bull flag playing out. You're a beginner? Yeah, slow and steady. Keep the size down, right? Keep it to, like, micros, 1 or 2 micros maximum, and that's it. So yeah, Jonathan, I only trade futures. In 20 years, I'll be able to do the same. Yippee! You lost big money in your life and made some not in trading, though? Okay, well that's good. I mean, obviously, you got to have some money to be able to trade, right? But while you're learning, definitely leverage those futures accounts, right? Pretty hard to trade this short also. Let's see, did this 1 hour gap get inverted here? Look at the 1 hour real quick. Yes, it did. So this is actually, we can switch this to a yellow one. So this is now a bullish fair value gap, roughly. Inverted equals bullish. "21 people in YouTube and 25 in X this morning." Pretty good, guys. 45 people currently watching. Pretty amazing. Ooh, a bit of a slap lower there, guys. I don't know what's going on here. Do we have news or something? You've been trading mid-cap stocks for a year now, but recently started learning about futures. Do you recommend futures over stocks? Yeah, definitely. The thing that I like about futures over stocks is that you don't have to search around through the stocks, right? Like, you know how some are popping up, you maybe have like 5-6 stocks, and then you got to like figure out which one is going to be the best to trade. Whereas, you know, with futures, you have like basically like three main contracts you can watch, and then you can decide what you're going to trade on the day just by watching them, right? So it kind of like streamlines the process a bit. So is the code meant to be there constantly? Which one? Which code are you talking about? You mean the banner? Yeah, I leave that one on because it's referring to the QR code. Oh, but sorry, I didn't, because usually when Nick's on, I don't leave it up, so I got to move up my chart though so you can see it all properly. There we go. Okay, Trump's talking here. Okay, that makes sense. Thank you. Hey, you're welcome. So Trump, we were talking about a solution to the problem Iran caused. Hormuz is being controlled by the U.S. Navy. Iran leadership is unbelievably duplicitous. Nothing gets through Iran without U.S. approval. I can't wait till Trump is gone. I know this is that's really annoying. Hey guys, like he just basically talking some crap here and push the market down. Some news barely makes a dent. Others, it just destroys the market all day. Yeah. And oil's pushing up. Wouldn't be surprised if the buyers step in here, though. Not financial advice, but we'll see.
Let me tell you a story about traders and bad decisions. Actually, it's mostly bad decisions. I was sitting there watching NQ like a grown man watching a squirrel. You know it ain't supposed to be interesting, but somehow you can't stop looking.
I just got to use the bathroom real quick here, and I'm also going to end the stream shortly, so I'll be back in a second. I just kind of want to see what's going to happen with this market at the moment. Just give me a minute.
Massive crash incoming. Meanwhile, NQ just sitting there, confused as hell. Just one more trade. That's what everybody says. Just one more trade before they blow the day. Just one more trade before the discipline fades. Just one more trade. Famous last words. I love traders. Traders are hilarious. A trader will spend 6 months building a strategy, back testing, forward testing, journaling, reading books, watching videos, meditating, drinking green tea, then lose all self-control because one candle looked disrespectful. One candle, that's all it takes. A grown man with a mortgage arguing with a candlestick. Frank the Great Pyrenees never revenge traded, not once. Ralph the French Bulldog never moved a stop loss, never averaged down, never bought a boner candle. Those dogs got a higher win rate than half the internet, and they asleep. Just one more trade. That's what everybody says. Just one more trade before they blow the day. Just one more trade before the discipline fades. Just one more trade. Famous last words. And somebody in chat says
NQ dirty.
Everybody agrees, nobody leaves. That's the funny part. You ever notice that?
Everybody knows NQ dirty.
Nobody stops trading. It's like dating a crazy ex. You know exactly what's gonna happen. You still answer the phone. The Mustang trader draws the levels. Beautiful levels, professional levels, institutional levels. Price touches it perfectly, bounces perfectly, works perfectly. And some guy in chat says, yeah, but I entered over here. Brother, why? The level was right there. It was literally on the screen. Oil slippery, gold heavy, nat gas explosive. In your account, emotional. And then the duck race starts, and suddenly the smartest trader in the room believes his duck has edge. Now we're doing technical analysis on cartoon ducks. A grown man yelling, "Come on, Gary!" at a plastic duck. And honestly, it's probably the most profitable thing he did all week. Market butcher, Mustang trader, Frank, Ralph, Yo Jim Blab, Misk, the whole gang. See you tomorrow. And remember, if you say just one more trade, you probably shouldn't beat fades out. Just one more trade. Yeah. Let me tell you a story about traders and bad decisions. Actually, it's mostly bad decisions. I was sitting there watching NQ like a grown man watching a squirrel. You know it ain't supposed to be interesting, but somehow you can't stop looking. Chat's going crazy. Everybody got an opinion. Everybody suddenly Warren Buffett. One guy says,
ATH tomorrow.
other guy says, massive crash incoming. Meanwhile, NQ just sitting there, confused as hell. Just one more trade. That's what everybody says. Just one more trade before they blow the day. Just one more trade before the discipline fades. Just one more trade. Famous last words. I love traders. Traders are hilarious. A trader will spend 6 months building a strategy, back testing, forward testing, journaling, reading books, watching videos, meditating, drinking green tea, then lose all self-control because one candle looked disrespectful. One candle, that's all it takes. A grown man with a mortgage arguing with a candlestick. Frank the Great Pyrenees never revenge traded, not once. Ralph the French Bulldog never moved a stop loss, never averaged down, never bought a boner candle. Those dogs got a higher win rate than half the internet, and they asleep. Just one more trade. That's what everybody says. Just one more trade before they blow the day. Just one more trade before the discipline fades. Just one more trade. Famous last words. And somebody in chat says
NQ dirty.
everybody agrees, nobody leaves. That's the funny part. You ever notice that?
Everybody knows NQ dirty.
Nobody stops trading. It's like dating a crazy ex. You know exactly what's gonna happen. You still answer the phone. The Mustang trader draws the levels. Beautiful levels, professional levels, institutional levels. Price touches it perfectly, bounces perfectly, works perfectly. And some guy in chat says, yeah, but I entered over here, brother.
My apologies. Okay, look at that, guys. That's what I was saying. I'm not really convinced that we're just going to go down from here, right? Imagine being friends with Baron. You would get all the good insider information, right? Yeah. He moves the market more than Powell did? Yeah, of course.
And honestly, it's probably the most profitable thing he did all week. Market butcher, Mustang trader, Frank, Ralph. Yo, Jim Blab.
Another crack it ain't cute, don't gone dark. I tagged the close, it left a mark.
Pretty big indecision candle here at the moment. Is this thing going to pump?
Red and green. The room is still, my jaw's tight. We're playing traps from last night. Funny
Pretty hard to take any trades now, guys. I just not feeling very confident in the market. This guy could throw out another comment here any minute and change the direction of the market. So anyways, I think we should be content with the trading session. It was a good one. Turned it from a opening losing trade into a winning day. So I got to be happy about that, content about it. So let's just do our shout out here, wrap it up, and then, live to trade another day, right? So thank you everybody for tuning in. I appreciate you guys. Big Teflon, Joanne, Jerry Trades, Born Hunting, Angia, FN Trades, Lafta, Night Build Audio, Jonathan, Blackout News Network, and my dad. Fun times, fun times. That song was hilarious, the last one. Yeah. Like that one. That one was called All Time High Tomorrow. Okay, everybody. Thanks a lot. We'll be live tomorrow morning, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Come hang out. Let's make some more money tomorrow. Hopefully, this bullish momentum will work. Will continue on here. I would actually like to see. It would be nice as if we could hold above this inverted fair value gap for the rest of the day, and then maybe in the Asia session, kind of pull back a little bit into the 600s or something. Then kind of like get another bullish momentum day on Tuesday. That would be beautiful. But hey, here's to wishing, right? Thanks, Born Hunting. And yeah, appreciate you all. Thank you for tuning in. We'll be live, tomorrow morning. So come hang out. And then tomorrow evening, we'll be live also. So thanks, everybody. Love you guys. And we will catch you on the next one here. See ya. Bye-bye, everybody.